A small block of mass m, let this be our block. Okay, mass of this block is m, so it's moving with velocity 5 meter per second on a rough surface, and it is given that coefficient of friction of this surface is mu equals to 0.25. There is an identical mass m at a distance of 2 meters. This is 2 meters. So after the collision, let this be 1 and this be 2. After the collision, let this be our scenario. Now 2 starts moving with some velocity, and it will stop after moving a distance x. Okay, let it start after moving a distance x. We need to find this x. Okay, one way is we can directly write the energy equation, that is half times m times v square is equals to mu into m into g into 2 plus mu into m into v into x. That is, let's take a look at this equation. So what it says is initial energy is half into m into phi square, as the kinetic energy is the only energy that is contained by the system. So after the body 2 stops, the kinetic energy of the system will be 0. So this is our energy. So where this energy goes? This goes as the work done by the friction. So as the work done by friction is negative, the work done by friction will consume this energy. So we can write this equation. So from this we can cancel m. Sorry, cancel m. So this implies 25 by 2 is equals to 0.25 into 10 into 2 plus 0.25 into 10 into x. So 25 equals to 5 into 2 plus 5 into x, which means 5 into x is equals to 15, implies x is equals to 3 meters. So distance covered by body 2 is 2 meters. We can alternatively do this in other way. So let's see that solution. Let this be our mass m1, and I am drawing the scenario during the collision. This be our mass m2, m2. So as a force due to friction is mu mg. Deceleration will be is going to be mu mg by m, which is equals to mu g. So by using law of kinematics, equations of kinematics, we can write 2 into mu g into 2 is equals to v square minus u square. This is dissolution, so I am writing a negative here. So 4 into 0.25 into 10 is equals to 25 minus v square. So v square is going to be 15. Okay. Now after moving a distance x, our mass m2 stops here. Then again by the kinematics equation, 2 into minus mu g into 2, sorry, x is equals to v square minus u square. Here v is 0 and u square is 15. So 4 into, sorry, 2 into 0.25 into 10 into x is equals to 15. This is 5 into x is equals to 15. So x is equals to 3. So both the ways we will get the same answer. So distance moved by block M2 after collision is 3 meters, and that will be going to distance, and that is going to be the distance between M1 and M2, as M1 stops at this position and M2 begins at this position. So distance between M1 and M2 will be distance traveled by M2 before it stops.